You are one information away from making a lot of money, like blowing. This gist, hi, get a glass of wine and drop it by your side. Chilled one, bring a notebook. You are going to make some money because, as you know, we have entered July. July to December is 6 months. We have 6 months to enter 2026. Listen, I said we have 6 months to enter 2026. I don't care what has happened to you January to June. Mistakes, disappointments, delays, whatever. I want you to know that 6 months is enough time to make a lot of money from the assets and investment I'm going to be discussing today. I'm going to show you short-term, low-risk investments you can buy today. Like now, as we are watching this video, you can start it, and I will show you how you're going to get returns, meaning you're going to make money on or before December, and you can literally start small. You can start small. Like I said before, we have 6 months, and it's enough time for you to make enough money from the investments I am going to be discussing with you today. So I'm going to break it down and, of course, watch till the end and learn some things. Now, imagine that you put some money in an asset today, and before December, you are getting paid because you got this timely information. Meaning you get paid in weeks. You can do this even if you're a student, even if you are a 9 to 5, even if you're a business person, and you don't even need to be super rich for you to do this. You do not need to have idle money. That 150K in that account, that 300K, that 500K, that 1M that you just left there. It's time for you to bring it, because I got you. As your money bestie, I want to discuss some things that will help you. So in today's video, I will show you simple and clear options. I mean, low risk assets, the one you can do and sleep well at night. That's what I mean. So you're going to have the right assets, short timing, great returns, dirty December. But of course, you're going to spend with sense, because you have me. I'll be watching from behind. In fact, before you do one nonsense spending, you will see my hands smack you. You know me, when it comes to money matters, I know they play. So welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking about this, and I'm going to start immediately. Let me give you small gist. Do you know that we are still in the salary week? We're still in the salary week. We just entered July, so don't tell me you have finished your own. You're going to make some sacrifices and pick out small before you blow that 25K this weekend. You're listening, you're watching, you know yourself. So the first one we're going to talk about is treasury bills. I'm showing you where you're going to invest this, and you can do this with 20K, 50K, 100K. Okay, so we're going to talk about treasury bills. Now, what is treasury bills? Treasury bills is like you're giving your money, you're loaning your money to federal government. Somebody should sing national anthem for me. Nigeria. All right, so let's go. The beautiful thing about treasury bills is that they have flexible tenors, meaning they have the 91 days, 182 days, and 364 days. They are very safe because it is government backed. And the minimum for some is like 10,000 naira. For some, it's 100,000 naira. For some, it's above that. So depending, if you're going to the bank, is higher. But if you're using all these our awesome fintech apps, you can do it and nobody will even know. Nobody's gonna know. So I prefer using AfriInvest, AfriInvestor 2.0 or Bamboo. Or you can head to your bank. I've actually done a video on this, but I'm going to do another video using Bamboo on treasury bills. So if you want to get more detail, like I should do a proper video on treasury bills, drop it in the comment and tell me, Julia, I want to do a detailed video on treasury bills. I want to understand treasury bills very well. So if you take the 6 months offer, you are sure that by December you'll be cashing out. So they give about 20%, about 20%, yes. So if you do that, just be sure that your money is going to do you good. Your money is going to do you good. So let's talk about the second one, mutual funds. All right, let's talk about mutual funds. So mutual fund is when you do not have time to look into the investments you're making. You just want to put money there and let your money do all the work for you. This is perfect for 9 to 5 people, business people who do not have all the time. There are people in my community who don't have the time. So we kind of switch their portfolios to suit the kind of things they do, so they will not have to run. Imagine me posting in the group and saying, go and buy this stock, it's going to give us 50%, and you are seeing it after 3 days and the stock is already moving. So regardless of that, they still pick other portfolios that will give them peace of mind, and then when they catch on the other ones, fine. Now mutual fund is where experts are pulling money. So instead of saying, I need you to bring 5 million for me to invest on your behalf for you so I can get you returns, I'm saying, let's make this open so that Nkechi, Pius, Emeka, Joy, everybody can pull their money together. And when you collect money from everybody, we can put everything together and we can go into this investment and get higher returns. So that is what happens. This is professionally managed funds, and they usually invest it and they give you profit, and you will not even lift a finger to enjoy these benefits. And you can start with 5K. 5K. So my favorite apps are Optimus by AfriInvest because their mutual fund is fitting me. Why? It has an automatic auto reinvestment. That's one of the sweetest things. If you want me to do a detailed video on mutual fund, put it in the comment and tell me you also want a detailed video on mutual fund. You want to understand it better? I am going to do that. If I see like 5 people who drop the comments and say, Julia, make that video. So you can also use your Cowrywise. You can also use asset management homes like First Bank, Meristem, Stanbic, all these are asset management homes that can do you good with mutual funds. So today, think about it. I actually tried putting some cash in my Optimus by AfriInvest mutual fund, and I'm going to do a video just to give us the update how it has grown in the last 30 days. So this, in 30 days, you can actually start making withdrawals, but that's not the whole idea. But just in case you need to lock down money for 30 days and take out some, in 30 days it becomes flexible for you to make some withdrawal, and that is one reason why some people like it. Now the fourth one is my favorite stock market, that is growth stocks and dividend stocks. You all know every day it's almost like it's the air I breathe, owning a piece of big companies that have products that are solving problems, that are sustainable. Those companies are making a lot of money. If you had invested $100 in January in Robinhood was around $20 then. Robinhood just touched $100 today, the 3rd of July. Woo-hoo! This is super amazing. This is super amazing. So I'm telling you this because there is power. Imagine getting 5 million out of your 1 million in just 6 months. So this is why stock market is mind-blowing. It's the greatest cash machine of all times, and I've done a lot of videos. In fact, I recently did a detailed 101 course on stock market and dividends. Go and look for it in my videos. It is an hour plus. Take your time, chill with popcorn and enjoy it. Okay. So let's talk about the fourth one, commercial papers. Now, commercial papers are like a short-term debt instrument that are issued by corporation, financial institution, and sometimes government. So let's cut this long, plenty grammar. It's like, instead of you giving money to government like in treasury bills, you are now giving money to companies like Dangote, MTN. They are asking you to borrow me your money. I want to put it into my business. It will expand, and then we make money, we'll give you. It's usually 6 months. So in Nigeria, investors can actually purchase commercial papers directly from the issuing companies or through the secondary market, which can be like asset management homes like ARM. You can use Afri Investor 2.0, and this is CBN like regulated. So it is safe and typically is within 30 days to 365 days, or most time we see around 6 to 9 months. But the thing about commercial papers is that sometimes it requires a lot of money, like maybe 1,500,000 and all above. So sometimes it depends. People pool money together. Like a group of friends can decide, okay, you know what, we are 10 of us. Let the 10 of us raise like 500,000. Let's pull it together and get these commercial papers. This is one great way that people have made a lot of money this year alone. So commercial papers, very important. And then my second favorite is high interest savings account. This is you saving money. Instead of saving money in the bank, now you're putting the money in a high interest savings account, and your money is working for you every minute of the day. This is the reason why you need your money to be working for you. You can never work like your money. And you cannot work as long as your money. See, your money will work for you, work for your children, work for your children's children. But you, there's a cap. When old age come, sickness, something else, or even you decide to retire, which is the sweetest. That's why. So if you already have Optimus by AfriInvest, I'm sure a lot of people that follow me here have downloaded it. Kudos to you. You are doing a great job. So you can pick your OptiFlex or OptiLock. You can also use the piggy vest. They have this piggy lock that is awesome. You lock your money, then they give you the money upfront. See, this is super cool. I taught people in my community this trick. They give you this money, say you locked in 6 million, they pay you upfront of say like 500 or 700,000 depending. You move that 700,000 and put it into the stock market or into a mutual fund or into treasury bills. So you're moving the free money they've given you. You're now investing it. So if you're lucky, you put it into stocks and you get 100% of that 700, you've made 1.4, and you still have your capital tied for like 1 year. Wisdom. So the reason why I'm saying it is that you can see I've pulled up all these amazing offers. So this is Optimus by AfriInvest. Okay, so you can see OptiFlex, OptiLock, you can see US stock and mutual fund. Now this is piggy vest. So they have the piggy bank, they have the safe lock, you have targeted savings and all that. We have flex, so you can save in naira and save in dollars. And they also have their corporate debt notes, which is like commercial papers in some way, but you now do it through the app. So you can see there are lots and lots of information you can get. Now the question is, what do you really need for you to do all these things? All you need is just your smartphone, knowledge, data, and the app. Get the knowledge. I'll always tell people that the first step is getting the right information and getting the right person to coach you. That is the most important thing you can do for yourself. And then you start building. Fund, buy, and money will start. See, let's make it rain, 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 rain. Of course, this is why I love to do this. The truth is that the goal is not to get rich quick. The goal is to stop being broke every time. Have some options that can double your money over weeks, over months, with the right information. But the most important thing is that you're protecting your money, you're growing your money, and you're giving your money some task to do. Your money is your greatest employee. It can work for you without even collecting day off. It will not tell you I'm sick today. Your money is working like Jackie for you. So did you learn something new in this video? We have an awesome VIP community where we teach everything that has to do with your money mindset, how to save money, how to manage money, how to budget, and how to invest. And if you are in the community, I post daily the videos, the stocks I pick that are giving us result, and we have strategy workbook that will be useful for you. So if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment section. And if you enjoy this video, please subscribe. If you have not, click like for me. I would really love to get 100 likes. Share this video. There are so many people that need to see this video. You have a group of friends, you have a WhatsApp group. Please drop the link, let people watch and make good use of their little money instead of keeping the money idle. I'll be super happy if you share this video to at least 10 friends. Please do that for me. 10 friends. Share this video with them, and I'll be so happy with you. Thank you.